Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2019 Lexus IS 300 maintenance light reset. Now we are going to use these buttons over here on the right side of the steering column. Up, down, left, right, enter in the middle, and back. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Go ahead and click back. Now use the right to go find your page, which is here. Now when you get here, go ahead and scroll down to vehicle setting, enter on it, go down, reset the schedule maintenance first, enter on it, scroll up to yes, enter on it. Now go ahead and press back, go down to oil maintenance, enter on it, scroll up to yes, enter on that, and we are done, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.